Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's Racing Resto. Sometimes doing stuff properly gets a little bit out of hand. So we're doing battery box, firewall and floor pan on the e30 still. I'm actually getting back into it now. Right. So what we're doing at the moment is I can't really drill through this with a drill bit on the spot welds, but that is where the floor mounts and that's where the firewall used to be. So to do this one properly, we're doing a join over here and that's it. There'll be a join down here and one across the back. The rest will be all factory plug welded down the inner sill panel. So I'll clean this rail out. I'm cleaning off all the old stuff off there, so I couldn't just drill all the way through. And the spot drills that I've got, they're good, but they're not that good. They're hard to use. The good ones are hard to use, and on curves like here and where there's rust and you can't see the spot, I just use my hammer and an old wood chisel, believe it or not. And I've also got a heavy duty scraper, a little one that I use with an aluminium handle that I made. But this, you can stick it under an area. Let's have a look. All right, I can stick it on this angle and it'll sit up, or I can go flat like this. All you got to do is make sure you don't damage the parent material underneath. And if you do, like I have on a few of the bits up there, like there, you get in there with a hammer and dolly and you straighten it all up. All right, nice and easy. So yeah, we are getting closer. Hopefully today I'll be, see, took it from the inner guard, took it all the way back to the rails. So I've got to take all glues and shit off. If you've ever done this, you will know how much seam sealer is in there filling dodgy seams. This is one thing BMW didn't get right on the e30, was their seam setups. So this one, so you know, if anyone ever does this, that separates. Once you separate the top two, usually I chop them here, but I have a full battery box, and this corner in here is absolute dog shit. Just so you know, that corner is absolute crap. So there is actually an extra lip there I'm going to leave on, which will help me for welding thickness. These will get welded from underneath. The battery box is okay. Hold on. This is an e30 Norway battery box. It was not straight when it arrived. All right, just so you know, it wasn't. I complained. They didn't send me another one. Sorry guys, if you're watching this, but hey, I complained, and it didn't mean much to you. All right, so I don't buy a lot of e30 Garage Norway stuff because it's just not right. Or if it is, you've got to work it. I would have bought more, but they didn't warranty this. So, and here, this is our firewall. This is the first part that I weld in, and it will be cut somewhere around here, like that. And then this all gets welded back in, so all of this will get cleaned up. That little bit of rust there is just a little bit of shit there, but I just need to weld a little crack here. So that'll get sliced with a blade, that'll get all cleaned, and I'll remove any rust. And then all these holes will all get plug welded, all of them, all of these ones, all of these will all get plug welded back onto the car. So that's what we're aiming to have tonight. I'll upload this, and then that way, hopefully, what is it? I think it's Wednesday or Thursday today. Let's have a look. What do we got? It's Thursday the 11th. So we'll attempt to have this done tonight, just this part sitting in at least. And I'll show you how I go about locating it in there correctly, considering there's not a lot of the Firewall left. Thanks, guys.